What's up, Siacoin Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, once again I'm present with the latest update of Siacoin. My friends, in this video we discuss the current price of Siacoin, what is the price in Siacoin, and in this video I will show you friends. So first of all, you can see here the current price of Siacoin 0.019603 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Siacoin this time in the market. So friends, never miss this update. If you miss this update, so you will lose. And please, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now at this time the price in Siacoin, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is positive, my friends. Absolutely the pricing is going very positive, and I'm feeling very happy to see this kind of positive change in the Siacoin, my friends. Now you can see here, oh my goodness, from yesterday they start a quick jump, and absolutely my friends, I believe that this stuff will continue to jump and we are going straight to the moon. Siacoin holders are going to the moon, so congratulations on Siacoin holders. Hold my friends. If you hold, absolutely they will make you millionaire. Siacoin will make you millionaire if you hold for a long time, my friends, if they continue this kind of quick jump in the future, my friends. Anyways, the last 1 week pricing is positive 14.54%, and the highest price is 0.019559 USD dollar, my friends. It is time I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Siacoin? Tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.